this is your girl, Sweet Angel. Y'all coming to you. I told y'all many times how I'm definitely trying to get our home a smart home. And part of that, you do have to implement and add some things into your home to help with the process. So what I have today for you is actually this NETGEAR Wi-Fi range extender. It is the EX3700 and it gives you coverage up to 1,000 feet and 15 devices with an AC750 dual band wireless signal booster and repeater. Y'all, I didn't think I could actually put this together myself, but I did. So here I am just unboxing it and just letting you see what all it has to offer. And it was pretty simple to actually set up. I was surprised. I thought I was going to have to go through a lot of back and forth and, you know, just a mess, but nope, it was very simple. So this is it here, just outlining everything that this device entails. And here it is right here. Came nicely boxed. I ordered it from Amazon and the shipping was not bad at all. At first it was going to be a later date, but it came right on time. Pretty lightweight. Here's the actual Wi-Fi extender here. Again, it's by NETGEAR. So it actually comes with a discrete wall plug design. I love that. Nothing bulky. Just simply plug it into a wall outlet for a sleek solution that extends your router's range and stays out of sight. You can smart connect up to 15 devices. That's more than enough. That, you know, we don't have that many items that's needed. Now, the reason why I got this is because our actual Wi-Fi is up front. Our router is up front of the house, and when you go to the bedrooms and you got your laptop with you, the signal was just very poor. So this helps us to intelligently select between dual bands to minimize interference and maximize speed for your smart wireless devices. Took about maybe 5 minutes to set up. That's about it. You can connect to your existing router with one button press, and that's all it took. I connected the devices to our network and boom, I was done. And you can also connect wired devices as well. And the great part about it, I know it says NETGEAR, but it is universally compatible, which will work with any Wi-Fi router for hassle-free reliability. So once I plugged it all in, you know, I read over all of the instructions on what to and how to, and I said, wow, I think I can go ahead and do this. Pretty simple. And I did. When plugging it into the wall, it actually connected pretty much right away in a sense. I saw the green light turn on. And excuse me, because the area that I had it in was pretty dim, so I had to get my cell phone out so that I could actually see, because you know your girl can't see. If you did know, I'm letting you know right now. So what you're seeing lit up is the actual power LED light. And once I saw that that was lit, which is what the instructions said should be showing up, it says to make sure you put the extender in the same room as your Wi-Fi router. The proximity to the Wi-Fi router is required only during the initial setup, so that's what had me worried at first. But once I got it all set up, I was good to go to move it where I wanted it to be. So I plugged the extender into the electrical outlet, and the power LED light turned green, just as the instructions stated it would, which was perfect. So to extend the range of your Wi-Fi network, you must connect the extender to your existing Wi-Fi network. And there was two ways to actually do this. The first way was to connect with a WPS, or you can connect with web browsing setup. I opted for the WPS connection. Simple as this. I just went over to our Wi-Fi router and I pressed the WPS button, and you have to make sure you do that within 2 minutes. And when it comes to the Wi-Fi protected setup, which is WPS, it lets you join a secure Wi-Fi network without typing the network name and password. So again, I just press the WPS button on the side panel of the extender, and within 2 minutes you have to go over to your router and also press the WPS button there. The WPS LED on the extender lit up as a solid green. The router link LED lights and extender connects to your existing Wi-Fi. And boom, it was all lit up just like that. You see all of the lights are solid green, which means you have a good connection. And finally, the final step, all I did was went to my computer that I have in my bedroom, and I connected that computer with the new extended Wi-Fi network. I actually also took the Wi-Fi extender and I moved it to the hallway plug that was in between the actual router and my bedroom. That gave me a midway point so that I can get good connectivity. And of course, the location that you choose for your Wi-Fi extender has to be within the range of your existing Wi-Fi router network. And of course, on my computer, all I did was just choose the Wi-Fi extender that was in the available networks. Simple, very, very simple. This extender is designed to connect wirelessly to the router or access point if it is in the extender mode. And pretty much that is all of it. This did come with, of course, the Wi-Fi extender. It also came with your quick start book, which is so easy to follow. You'll be very, very happy about it. And I'm giving it a big thumbs up because I really needed it so bad when I'm using a computer in the back in order to help extend my Wi-Fi and give me a great connectivity to it. So there you go. There you have it. My thoughts and opinions on the NETGEAR AC750 Wi-Fi range extender model EX3700. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.